Some industries that we believe are going to see steady and increased buyer interest in 2025 are industries like healthcare. Healthcare has seen a increased in demand over the previous decade, and we think that trend's going to continue with more aging Americans needing healthcare and the industry's durability. Lack of interest rate sensitivity has always brought in investors, and the ability to provide back office services to specialized practices, reoccurring demand for things like durable medical device distributors. These trends seem to be continuing moving forward. Another industry we're fairly bullish on for the near term is software. Oral software has historically been a very strong market for M&A and very desirable from a buyer's perspective. We see this trend continuing in 2025 moving forward and largely driven by AI. It seems like the functionality of many of these software companies is expanding and their ability to help business owners cut costs by automating processes and making their companies more efficient. We think we're in the early innings of this AI revolution as it relates to software. Lastly, we think residential services is going to be an industry. Well, there already is a fair amount of buyer interest, but again, we see expanding moving forward. It's desirable for a number of reasons, but first and foremost, we're very underhoused as a country, and while there's inclination to allocate capital into the housing market, there's a reluctance to allocate it into new home construction, which is historically very cyclical. The way investment groups have done that historically, and we believe will do so moving forward, is to invest in residential services where you get reoccurring demand, and you should also get a leg up as housing in the country continues to expand.